Hello, I'm going to do a 5-minute natural makeup routine really quick. My battery's about to die, so literally has to be quick. Okay, so I'm using this Pro Blend concealer for under my eyes, just really quick. There we go. Let me put a little here. Next, I'm gonna blend it out with this, what do you call this thing? I don't know, I just got it. Trying it out. Beauty blender, that's what it's called. I did like wet it and then squeeze out the water because I see people do that. Apparently it's what you're supposed to do. Normally use a sponge, like a wedge. I am wearing some false lashes. I did the individual one. You can check out the video. I'll leave a link to it below. Okay, so I feel like I always need concealer somehow. Concealer really just does something, you know. It's gonna make a big difference already. Next, I'm gonna put on some lipstick. It's by MAC. It's like a natural looking one. Next, I'm gonna put on some powder. Powder's almost done. I'm really stretching it here. Put some under the eyes, sort of set the concealer. I didn't want any powder to get on my false lashes. It's like a light coverage. It's a powder foundation. I love it. Just to cover up some spots and marks. I'm gonna put a little powder on my neck. Blend it out just to make sure my face doesn't just look like this perfect thing and my neck's a little different. So next I have this mascara, but I'm not putting it on my eyelashes, I'm putting it on my eyebrows. It's kind of strange concept, but it kind of works. Doesn't it look different? Like this side looks so much better with the mascara. So I'm gonna do this side. Definitely not too much. I wanna go for like a really natural finish. Did I mention I did my eyelashes myself? I have a video about it. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the end card as well as in the link in the description below. Okay, 5 minutes is really close, so I'm gonna finish up by just putting on some bronzer. I was serious about the 5 minutes, but I put some bronzer on my nose bridge. I'm not really sure if this is bronzer or highlighter. Shame on me. I bought it at MAC. Most of my makeup is from MAC. Put some on the highest point of the cheek. Currently, Naomi Campbell says you have to highlight every bone, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. So I highlight the cheekbones, bam bam. I already highlighted the nose bridge here. Do it again. And the last place I'm highlighting is right on the brow bone. Just for a little shimmer. I don't know if you can see this or not. I don't want to overdo it. And voila! There we go. 5-minute natural beauty. Do I look awesome or what? I think I look so good. Wow. In 5 minutes, am I awesome or what? Leave a comment saying awesome or what below, so I know you reached the end of this video. I'm awesome. Yeah. Do this in 5 minutes. Check out the last video. Bye.